Welcome guys, in this video I'm gonna show you the function of this back button of the charging case in your AirPods Pro 2nd generation. Okay, so we got three functions. The first one, we can enter pairing mode manually. So normally when you try to connect this AirPods Pro 2nd generation to any iOS device, and when you open this case, you will get this notification. So you can check the battery level or just get to the pairing mode. But if you want to connect them to any other device, like for example the Android phone or the Windows laptop, you have to click and hold this back button until this indicator on the front starts blinking white. As you can see right now it's blinking, so when I release the button, this AirPods will be visible to other devices. So we can enter the pairing mode. The second function, we can perform the hard reset. So if you want to restore all the default settings of your AirPods, for example, you would like to sell this product to anyone, or there is some kind of the bug, you want to fix some problems, you can also try to make this hard reset. So you have to also use this back button, you have to click and hold it until this indicator on the front starts blinking red. So take a look, we have to hold it all the time. Yeah, keep holding. If you release the button, you will be in the pairing mode, and as you can see right now it is blinking red. So we can release the button right now. There was also kind of the notification sound. And right now we restore all defaults. So when I try to connect for this AirPods, it will be the unsuccessful connection because this connection was forget, so we can just get rid of that also from the iPhone, and right now we'll be able to pair them, for example, another time with our iPhone. Wait for a while to get connection. As you can see right now we are successfully connected. And also when you press once on this button, your charging case will make notification sound. And also this front indicator will light up. It will show you the currently level of the charging case. When it's orange, it means that the level of the battery in your case is below 50%. When you open the case, indicator turns green. As you can see, as I said, it's below 50%, it's 31% right now. So yeah, that's the function of the back button on the charging case of AirPods Pro 2nd generation. And if you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.